Hey there! Welcome back to my kitchen faucet channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace a shower control cartridge in a Glacier Bay shower. If your shower is leaking, has low water pressure, or isn't mixing hot and cold water properly, chances are your cartridge needs replacing. Stick around as I walk you through the whole process step by step. Tools and materials. New replacement Glacier Bay shower cartridge, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, adjustable wrench, needle nose pliers, plumber's grease towel or small bucket, Allen wrench, plumber's tape. Step 1. Turn of the water supply. Before we start, safety first. Make sure to turn off the water supply to the shower. You can either shut off the main water supply or use the local shut-off valves if available. Then, turn on the shower to drain any remaining water from the pipes. Step 2. Remove the handle and trim plate. Now, we'll remove the shower handle. Most Glacier Bay models have a screw under the handle or a set screw on the side. Use an Allen wrench or Phillips screwdriver to loosen it, then pull the handle straight off. Next, remove the trim plate by unscrewing the mounting screws. This exposes the cartridge assembly. You might see a decorative sleeve over the cartridge, just slide that off. Step 3. Remove the old cartridge. Now comes the tricky part. Removing the old cartridge. First, locate the retaining clip that holds the cartridge in place. Use needle nose pliers to carefully pull it out. Be sure to keep it in a safe place. To remove the cartridge, grab it with pliers or an adjustable wrench and gently pull straight out. If it's stuck, you might need to twist it slightly while pulling. Just be patient, you don't want to damage the valve body. Step 4. Install the new cartridge. Before installing the new cartridge, apply a thin layer of plumber's grease to the rubber seals. This helps prevent leaks and makes future removal easier. Align the new cartridge properly. It should slide in without much force. Make sure it's seated all the way in, then reinsert the retaining clip to lock it in place. Step 5. Reassemble the shower handle. Now, let's put everything back together. First, slide the trim sleeve back over the cartridge. Then, reattach the trim plate with its screws and finally, slide the handle back on and tighten the set screw. Step 6. Turn water back on and test. We're almost done. Turn the water supply back on and check for any leaks. Then, turn the shower on and test both hot and cold water to make sure the new cartridge is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully replaced your Glacier Bay shower cartridge. If this video helped you, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more DIY plumbing tips. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.